been rolling?
Guys, what's up? It's Mark. I was trying to sit on this nice and even. My back end doesn't have any buttons, at least I hope not. I checked before I jumped on the hood, and you should too. Only you can prevent forest fires. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. This, my friends, is a 2007 Ford F-2. I almost flicked you off. F-250 Lariat, 6.0 liter turbo diesel 4x4, studded, full exhaust, tuned, you name it, it's all done. And best of all, it's from Dallas, Texas. Why? Because it is. And there's no rust. Interior is damn near spotlessly perfect. The exterior has one scratch on it, a few rock chips, and maybe a dent here or there, but moderately speaking, it's in damn good shape. And should I say it's well above the average of that year with that miles.
Whale above?
Whale above. Well, I meant to say something else. Chapel called me out, so I'm gonna call him out. The driving that you guys just saw, that was all me.
Oh, bull crap.
No, I'm kidding. Credits to him. I give him credit. It was the driving was him, and I was doing the filming because I'm really particular on my filming. So
yeah, Ken Block called me.
Ken Block called you. Yeah, Ken Block told me to tell you to bend over so I can put it in your butt. But anyway, let's go on with the truck, guys. So 2007 Ford F-250 Lariat 4x4 6.0 liter turbo diesel, studded, bulletproof, whatever you want to call it. It's here, and this is it. Brand new headlights, brand new grille. We got the front bumper pad painted because it was all kind of faded and stuff like that. The awesome Ford symbol is brand new. Big shout out to my son Ford. What up, buddy? Love you.
I don't get that.
The truck, it's got awesome cab lights, Recon cab lights. Coming around this side over here, 08 plus style mirrors, diesel tow mirrors, brand new full. Look at the brand new. Look at it. Touch it. Would you look at it? Brand new full exhaust all the way back. And the best part about it, fifth wheel, gooseneck, whatever you want to put down there. But look at the bed rails. Solid as you name it. Solid as I'm going to say something, but I don't want to say it on camera. Tailgate is, no, get the reflection. I mean, look at the, guys, check this out. Look at the reflection. Can you see my hand?
Yeah, well, I can see your hand in real, like, this is your hand and this is the reflection. I saw it.
All right, here you go. You can actually see, you can see him talking there. It looks like an actual video of you. On the camera.
Let me do my job.
There we go. It's actually beautiful. Shut up, I'm not even speaking right today. Your ball's even included. The ball's sitting right in the tailgate. But get the words out of your mouth, son. But it ain't, Junior. Tailgate's good. You can sit on the tailgate, put all the weight that you want on it because there's no rust. Underneath of the bed, a little dirty, but who cares? Brand new bed cover or Duraliner bed liner. Walking around to the side, the first thing you guys are going to notice about this truck, yes, it is lifted. Yes, it has brand new tires. Yes, it has brand new wheels. Let's go check them out. So up front, what are we rolling with here? We don't want to show you guys the back tires. We want to show you the front tires because the nipples, the nipples are still on. The nipples are still on the front tires. We know they're not in the back because I was driving earlier.
Yeah.
These are a set of Rockstar RS2 wheels. They are a 20 by 12 Rockstar wheel mounted on a 35 1250 20-inch Renegade R7 mud terrain tire.
It's a 20 by 10, buddy.
It is?
Yeah.
Wrong truck. Another truck. Where's the other one we have?
I don't know.
The gray one, 05 or something like that?
Yeah, it's 05.
I'm thinking about that one. 20 by 10 wheel. But these are full turn right, full turn left, no rubbing or scrubbing on either corner of the front bumper, and the lower valance is still there, and it works great. I'll pop the hood, show you guys under the hood. Check it out. Let's see what this power plant's packing. And I'm going to show you guys the mileage in a minute. You're going to be shocked, but hell, it's all good. What do we got underneath? Underneath, new track bar, ball joints. What else?
Track bar and tie rod ends.
Yeah, tie rod ends. So engine's pretty much nothing really too crazy with the engine, but yeah, I don't think that's it. Just full exhaust. It's got the factory filter on it, stuff like that. Crack right here. What else? That's pretty much about it. Let's look at the inside. I'll show you guys the inside. Let's check out the inside of the interior. Walk around the side and I'll show you the inside. Oh man. So first thing about this truck, ice cold AC, full drive works great. Rear sliding window, all the auxiliary switches right here, including your trailer brake and vents facing down. I'm gonna show you guys the mileage right now. You ready for this one? All right, guess the mileage in the comments. I'm gonna pause the video right here and you guys can see. Ready? Here's a 5-second break. Boom. All right, ready? Guess the mileage. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go, turn the key in. 230 left door ajar. Right door ajar. Fuel level low. Start the damn thing up, why don't you? There we go. Ready? There it is. 232, 340 miles. Isn't that insane? But it runs and drives great. Steering wheel, all the options on the steering wheel right there. Horn works great. Adjustable pedals. And let's get a good look at the interior. Ready? There's Noah, everybody. Oh, let's use my damn phone. Shut it off so you can hear me. Your toolkit for the lug keys included right there. 3rd row seating. Back seats great. The seats are, look at this, look at the Lariat seats, in great shape. The stitching's still there. Look at the lumbar part of that seat. Look at this seat right here. Absolutely beautiful. There's no, look at the driver's seat. Would you look at it? Would you look at it? Would you look at it? There's no rips in this driver's seat. I'll take it to this side and show you. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's probably redone at one point, I'm assuming. Heated seats. Headliner's good. We'll go to the rear seats and I'll give Noah the phone and we'll end this video out. Back seat's in great shape. The floor's in great shape. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. We'll pass Noah the phone and say, hasta luego, goodbye, and bon voyage, and a few other ones too. So we'll do a walk around in the video. See you guys later. All right, peace out. See ya. See you guys later. Peace out. Bye. Goodbye. Salute. All right, take care now. Bye-bye then.